Messages from Nature Part 2. Today's message is about giving and receiving, which is very essential for us to lead a fulfilling life. Nature is and stands as a role model to us to adopt its characteristic to lead fulfilling lives. Once, as I was traveling, I saw an apple tree brimming with apples, ready to give whoever was ready to receive it and relish it. As I walked towards the apple tree, an apple dropped down, and I happily picked it up. And as I picked it up, I was inspired by the apple tree, and it was a message from the apple tree. It had received the sunlight with its open arms and had received the water from the roots, had received the support of the air which had partnered with the sunlight to manufacture its chlorophyll, and had received the steady support of Mother Earth to fulfill its purpose, and had received the support of the enriching space that had made everything possible. What a beautiful cycle of giving and receiving. Giving not just one, but many, 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 season after season after season. Now, looking into the lives of us human beings, I observe there are two kinds of nature in people. One are the givers, and the second are the receivers. The givers most of the times are mostly people who give away so much of themselves in every way, especially women, that after a period of time, their ability to give diminishes in many ways. The receivers are the ones whose lives revolve around only receiving because they do not know what it is to give as much as they can receive. So their lives become stalemated, become impoverished, because they begin to believe they are not meant to give but only to receive. Now, either the givers or the receivers do not lead fulfilling lives. In order to lead fulfilling lives, we need to know how to receive and how to give as well. So today I'm going to teach you a simple but profound way to enrich your life, to receive the all-round support of the universe, that you are blessed with a fulfilling life. Remember, as soon as you get up in the morning, to receive with love and gratitude the brilliant sunshine, and give your love and gratitude for the varied support it is in your life. Then receive with love and gratitude the soothing air all around, and give your love and gratitude for the life-giving support it is. Receive with love and gratitude the soft, supple water, which is an invaluable support in your life, and give it your love and gratitude. Then receive with love and gratitude the sturdiness and the steady support of Mother Nature, and give your love and gratitude for the innumerable ways it supports you in your everyday life. Then receive with love and gratitude the enriching space in and out, and give your love and gratitude for the empowering support the spaces. Practice this every day in either multiples of 3, 7, 11, 21, and you will see quick results in receiving beautiful support all around from the universe. After you practice, please let us know the results you have seen and mail us at the email address we have given below. Signing off with lots of love, Shobana at LivininLove Center, which is a special space which cares for your well-being in the physical, mental, emotional and spiritual planes, that you may be guided into fulfilling lives. For further guidance, you can contact us through our mail and we would love to help you. Thank you.